welcome to my channel. This is CeeCeeG. As you look on my lap, I have a package with some mouth guards in it because, as you know, I have been going through with my ears here lately, and it has been an up and down roller coaster of pressure in both ears. It was just feeling, especially my right ear has been feeling really blocked. My doctor looked in. He said he didn't see any liquid or wax buildup, but I don't know. I bought me a series of drops because I'm about ready to do Roto-Rooter or whatever. But he said he didn't see nothing, but I'm not doing it. I'm just going to try my best and clean if there's anything in there to get it out. But I was recently diagnosed with TMJ. And because of because I grind my teeth at night, and then also I get sinus pressure in my ears and my head, and I get headaches from that. So I'm in a catch-22 because I also have a deviated septum, so I'm prone to these. And but it's not a picnic at all. It's quite a nuisance, really. So, and I refuse to just live with this. It's something got to give. Because, right now, I was on a dose of antibiotics because I thought it was a sinus infection. But when the doctor told me that it was TMJ, it was okay, maybe it's not an infection. But then I took a pill yesterday, the antibiotic, and this morning, and I felt a little relief. So I'm wondering, was it a sinus infection? So I don't know. I'm just doing what I gotta do to get rid of this problem because I can't take no more. So I'm gonna open this package up and throw it in a pot and mold it to my teeth. And so at night, I do sleep with a CPAP machine. But the type of mask that I have, I don't want a full face mask. I just want my nose to cradle in the nose piece, and I put it on my head, and the hose attached to it, and that's it. I can't do I'm gonna be feeling like I'm suffocating. I can't do it, and it took a while for me to get used to using that because I do have sleep apnea, and so. And then one of the reasons why I had lost the weight, to try to get my weight down. I'm not a huge person, but I'm tall, and a lot of my weight is in the middle section. So my upper thighs and my middle section. So, and of course, I'm tall. I'm 6'2", 3/4 inches. So I'm mostly legs and, and everything. So I'm going to open this up and get started. Okay, so I opened them all up, and I was trying to figure out if they were all different sizes or the same. To me, the one that's closest to me here, this one, looks like the largest one. So I'm going to go with that one, and I'm going to get a pot of water and just slightly boil them, and then I'm going to clench down on them. Okay, so you can hear the water. I got some water on the stove, so I'm going to just quickly put these in here and let them heat up, and then I'm going to put them in my mouth and mold them. Okay, so I have it in my mouth. I don't know how I can do this. Lord have mercy. So, I don't know if I can do this because, look at me, I'm about to drop it. So I did the best. I didn't want it to be boiling hot, but it's molded enough. So, we'll see. I don't know, because with the CPAP on my nose, this in my mouth, I don't know. It's going to have to grow on me to wear these at night. So we will see. So I just wanted to follow up with you guys on the mouth guard. So I did put in a pot, mold it to my teeth, and I slept pretty good. Uh, that was the first time with that mouth guard. It stayed in my mouth. I didn't yank it out or anything. So I slept with that with my CPAP and the mouth guard. I thought I would not be able to breathe, but I did pretty good. So I have an appointment to go to this morning, and then maybe some garden work today later on. All right, y'all. I just wanted to give you the update. I hope that you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.